This sound moves fast. Most learners don't even realize it's moving. Listen. Boy. Did you hear the glide?
Yes.
Boy. The sound is oi. It starts with o, the rounded lips, then quickly slide into e, smiling sound. It's one smooth motion, not two spirit sounds. Listen carefully. Boy, boy, toy, toy, voice, voice, choice, choice. Remember, don't say boyi or something like that. Don't break it. It should glide fast. Try with me again. Boy, toy, voice, choice. Smooth, quick, and one movement.
Okay.
Master the oi glide and your English will instantly sound more natural.
Subscribe for more daily English pronunciation.